Look at that. I saw Chipotle brought back their honey chicken, so I had to get a burrito. This place always hooks it up. I'm actually gonna wrap it back up in the foil because I feel like it'll fall apart. Here we go. First bite. This is the honey chicken with white rice, pinto beans, sour cream, lettuce, cheese, pico, or they call like the medium tomato salsa. Maybe I'm biased, but I think I have the best order right now. It's a little bit sweet, a little bit creamy and spicy. Hint of sour from the tomato. So good.